Hi, this is Carly with Helio Branding Co. and today I'm going to teach you all how to use the background remover on Canva. So first I've just selected a stock image and I'm going to go up to the background remover, and it's super easy. You just select the photo and you click this here, and 1, 2, 3, your background is removed. So here is your image with the background removed. I always like to take these little edges and bring them in because it just makes it easier to move your image around. And if you start adding in other elements, it's just easier to select everything. So I brought this image up. Say you want a new background, you can search for a different background. I'm just selecting this one, go to position and put towards the back. Sometimes I'll also do like a wall or, a floral background, something outside. You can get creative with it. Or of course, you always have the option to just choose a plain color, and you can also add in banners and things like that. Here I am just adding in a rectangular banner with a name. I'm just using Jane Doe as a name here. But if you want another option of kind of layering the two, you can always move that to the back, move your image around, and I'm going to ungroup this text here and move it off to the side. Now this is another cool option that I really like, and it's if you want to have that same banner but having it between the foreground and the background. So obviously here I'm putting the rectangle in, and as you can see, it's going to cover the face and it's going to cover the shrubbery in the back. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that image, copy and paste it, and on that top layer we'll remove the background image. But as you can see, we still have it on that bottom layer so it shows through. Now when we add in the rectangle, position it backward one layer, and you can see that it can kind of move in between the background and the foreground, which is super cool. Now we can go back in and add that name text if we want, or any text that you would like, and it just creates a cool effect. Also, you can mess with the transparency of that rectangle too, which is cool. Now we're going to shift and look at the product image examples. So say you don't like this background or you just want to isolate that product image, you can remove that background. Again, I like to bring these edges in to just help with selection when we're layering. So I am going to kind of resize that, shift it around, then you can copy and paste it if you'd like to add multiple of that product. And then say you want it on a different background, again, we can go back in and search for our backgrounds. I'm just going to select this pink and I'm going to put it on there and then position it to the back. Now, another fun thing that I will show you in just a second is you can edit these images again and add like a shadow effect to them to make them pop off the screen, which is super cool. They have several different options here, so you can kind of just play around with whatever works best for you. My favorite is the drop image, so I'm just going to use that. This is the background remover tutorial, you guys. Super easy for beginner content creators. This is like my favorite thing to kind of have people start off with because anyone can do it. And like I said, it just helps make your images more dynamic. If you want any other tutorials, just let me know.